Hey, what's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in to Pretty Press Unplugged. My name is Yajvista, and today I'm going to show you guys how I got these freestyle gray Kaws
What's up,
inspired
guys? Welcome to
nail
my
set.
channel.
As
My
you
name
can
is
see here,
Yajvista,
these are
and
the nails that I'm
today,
going to
as you
be
can see, we're
creating
going to
and
be
showing
doing
you
these
guys a
Kaws
step-by-step easy
inspired
tutorial on
nail
how I
art.
created
So,
these press-on nails. As always, there's going to be a detailed tutorial. Everything is going to be listed down below, all the products that I used for this video, and I'm just going to show you in real time, and some repetitive things that I do in the video, I'm just going to speed those up for time purposes. But yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So for the first part that I'm going to be showing you guys is, I did show you guys the nails that I'm using. I already have it on my nail stand, and these are my XL long square tip nails that I'm going to be using today. I do like to always for the most part go and use my clear nail tips, because I feel like I can do more styles with the clear nails aside from just doing the like the natural color nails that they have that looks kind of white basically, or kind of like a nude color, like a sheer nude. But so as you can see, this polish that I'm using today is from Gayo. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Gaoy. And this is a sheer pink nude that I'm just going to be applying to the top of the nails, because I'm going to be using this as my base color, because I am going to create a French tip on each of these nails. But for the French tip, it's going to be a different freestyle on each nail basically. So yeah, and I'm just showing you guys that I'm just painting the top basically, and I'm not going to be really painting the bottom with that clear gel polish, because I am just going to go in with my clear gel polish at the bottom of these nails, and then after I finish that, I'm going to just put it in a UV lamp, and I'm going to let that cure for 60 seconds to let that dry completely, and then we are just going to get into our nail art for this video. So this is the Beatles white gel polish that I'm showing you guys that I'm going to be using today. And for the gray color that I'm going to be using for this video, I'm going to show you how I create my gray gel polish. But for this nail, I am going to be painting this whole nail white with that white gel polish basically. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And I like to make sure the whole nail is covered completely and you can't see any of that transparent background basically. So now what I'm doing is I'm just going to be drawing my French tip, and I'm just going to be using my fine liner brush. I did get this from a set of nail brushes from Amazon basically. You know, Amazon, you can find everything there, inexpensive, affordable, and you can find anything that you're really looking for on there. So for this nail, I'm just going to be starting off and dipping into that same white gel polish by Beatles, and I'm just going to be creating my French tip. And I apologize that this little clip here is a little bit cut off in some areas, but for the most part you can see everything that I'm doing. I just went ahead and created my French tip first and French tip design, and then I'm just going to be filling the remainder of that nail with that white gel polish. So like I said in the beginning of the video, these nails do have each nail is going to be a different design on each nail. So I'm just going to be filling in and drawing my base for each of these nails first, and then like I said before, we're going to get into our nail art. And what you want to do is make sure that you go up on the sides of the nails too with your gel polish, like I did in the previous nail, because I like to do a deep French when I do the French tips. So I did a deep French, so I did like to bring that product all the way up to the top of the nail basically. And as you can see, I'm just going to be repeating the steps. And if you are new here, thank you for tuning into my video. And this is how I make my gray gel polish. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing white and black together. And I'm just going to mix those two colors together to give me that perfect gray shade, because I did not have any gray gel polish and I did want this set to be gray to match my Kaws nail charm. So that's why I was creating my own color, because I wanted that color to match the Kaws nail charm. Yeah. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning into another one of my videos. And I hope to see you tune into a lot more videos that I have here to come. I know the next really holiday is going to be Valentine's Day, so I'm really excited for Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos to come. And if you are new here, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so you're notified when I have my videos, my new videos uploaded here to my channel, to give you guys new content, new tutorials, new nail art designs and charms, just, you know, whatever. And I like to get some feedback from my videos. So if you guys want me to create a set of nails, or an inspired set, or just want to know how to do certain nail art, certain nail techniques, and nail designs, just let me know down in the comment section below, and I won't have a problem doing a dedicated video to showing you guys how to create these nail designs and nail styles that you see often on you know, social media platforms. So just let me know down below, and I'll be sure to make a video. So as you can see, some of these parts are really repetitive. As you can see, I just went ahead and mixed some more of that gray polish together. Again, I just mixed my black and white Beetles gel polish together, and I just went ahead and mixed those to get that gray shade. So I like to go ahead and be creative as far as just mixing my own colors when I don't have the colors on hand, instead of waiting to buy a shade of color that I don't have when I'm trying to use it in that moment. I would try to create the color that with the colors that I already have, basically. Yeah, so I'm just going to let you guys watch this part, and I'm just going to, yeah, just let you guys watch this, and I'll just chime in whenever I feel like I need to inform you guys about anything that I'm using or what I am doing in the video. So this is just the nails. I'm just showing you guys how it looked with the base colored for the nail set. And this is the Kaws charm that I'm going to be using today, this gray one. So what I did was I'm going to be turning on my nail drill. I do have the Nailart nail drill. And I'm just going to be turning that on because I do want to file the back of this nail charm, because I wanted to give it a rough surface so that it can, I feel like it sticks a little bit better to the nail when you file it down a little bit more, and when it's a rough surface rather than just a flat surface, because you know the nail is curved and the charm is straight. So that's why I like to file into the nail charm so that it can fit directly on that nail and not move, and not, you know, then just be stable and not come off in any type of way, basically. And it just fits a lot better. It just sits and rests on top of the nail, as you can see, just like that. And this is the Mia Secret resin glue that I'm going to be using to apply my nail charm. So what I'm just going to be doing is I'm going to be taking that Mia Secret nail resin, and I'm just going to be painting the back of that nail charm. As you can see how much I did go ahead and file down on that nail charm. And then I'm just going to make sure I'm holding that nail stand nail straight, and then just placing that directly on top, and then making sure that it is centered in the middle, basically. And now for this nail, I did want to do a crocodile design. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with that same gray shade that I created, and I'm using my dotting tool, and I'm just dipping into that gray gel polish, and I'm just going to be creating my crocodile nail design first. And like I said, I'm using my dotting tool. I didn't want it to space it out, kind of like medium sections, so I didn't want to be too close together. So that's what you're seeing me doing here. And this is in real time, so this is exactly how I move and how long it takes for me to create a nail set, basically. And what I like about doing these certain designs, as far as like the 3D designs, is you can just be so creative and create so many different designs just using this technique. Like, it doesn't have to be a croc design, it could be anything, you know, it could be heart, stars, you know, anything. And I'm just repeating on the side. I did go ahead with my line going straight in the middle. I didn't bring it all the way to the corners because I did want to again create that crocodile effect. And I'm just filling in the sides with that gel polish. And what I like to do is I like to go in between the lines that I have already created in the middle. I like to go in between so it doesn't look like a whole bunch of lines just going straight across. I like to go in between the lines on the side as well. I like them to be straight too and even, so I'm not just drawing sloppy lines. I'm just taking my time to, you know, do that. So now I'm taking my clear acrylic powder from Mia Secret, and I'm just going over that crocodile nail design, and I did go ahead and put that nail inside of my UV lamp to cure for 60 seconds, that crocodile nail. But for this nail, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going in with my Beautystudiobookings gel polish, and I'm going to be drawing on my Kaws nail art. So for this nail, I'm just going to be drawing that Kaws character on the nail. And I am using that same fine liner brush. I'm just drawing the outline of my Kaws first, and then I'm just going to fill in with the details after I finish drawing my nail art. So what I like to do is I like to have a picture of whatever it is I'm trying to draw out in front of me. If I don't know, you know, exactly the details of how it looks, and just to have that in front of me, just to refer back to it, back and forth, so I can see what I'm doing and just follow exactly how that character or nail art or design is done. It's just good to have it there for reference, basically. So now after I did go in and do the outline of my Kaws, I am just going to be filling it in with my gel polish. And after I did this step, I am going to put this in a UV lamp to cure that white gel polish. And then I'm going to take it out and to continue with my nail art. But while that nail is inside of that UV lamp and it's curing, I'm just going to go to the next nail. So I'm just going to be starting to work on my nail art on this nail. And for this nail, it's just going to be fairly simple. I'm just going to be drawing some X's for eyes, and I'm just going to be drawing a smiley face. And I'm using my black gel polish from Beautystudiobookings. As you can see, I'm just taking my time, you know, just to make sure everything is nice and straight and, you know, to your liking. So this is what I like to do. I like to take my time. I like to have my nails be really neat and give out quality when I am creating these nail sets for my clients. So yeah, just take your time. Practice makes improvement, so you can get better and better each time that you do a different nail art. And I did want to add a little bit more color to this nail, not more so color, but more design to this nail. So I did go in and I'm just going to be outlining that French tip as well, just outlining where I drew it at, just to make it pop and stand out more, so that top of that nail doesn't look so plain to me. And at first I thought this was a black gel polish that I was using, but this is the gray polish that I created and mixed together myself. So now this is a nail that I had started before, that Kaws design that I was drawing on before, and I did go ahead and put that in my UV lamp. So I'm just going to continue on with this nail. So the next thing I'm going to be doing with this nail is that I'm going to be outlining this nail in black using my black gel polish, just to make that character stand out and pop a lot more, to stand out, to look, you know, just like the character basically. So I'm just going in with my black outline, and make sure you guys, when you are creating your nail art, you are curing in between each of the colors, because you don't want the colors to smudge or blend into each other or bleed into each other. So that's what you are supposed to be doing, just cure in between each nail art that you do. So I did go ahead and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds before I went in with these black lines, because I am, as you can see, going in and putting these smaller, thinner lines on the outside of the outline of the drawing. So I'm just going ahead and do that. And if I didn't do that step, as far as just putting in my UV lamp to cure and dry, this would be smudged, and it would mess up the whole design. So just make sure that you are taking time to, you know, make sure everything is done correctly. So I did finish that nail, and I did put it in my UV lamp. That other nail with the Kaws design was finished. So now I'm showing you guys how I am going to be creating my marble nail. And as you can see, I did go ahead and put some of that gray gel polish on that nail, and I'm going to be adding some of that white and black gel polish along with this gray, and I'm just creating my marble effect. And I'm just using this nail art brush to just blend and swirl my colors together to give it that marble effect. And I like to bring my smile line all the way up. I like to do a deep French tip. So this is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and what videos you want to see here on my channel. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Pretty Press On Plug on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. So check out some of my other videos that I have posted here. I hope to see you tuning into my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification. I'll see you guys in my next one.